So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say the word wall? When I asked the same question to my wife, she sent me this meme saying, honey, I can only think about talking to you. Now, I like to imagine like she meant like I'm the silent type. But isn't it true, like walls get a lot of negative connotation attached to them. But isn't it unfair? Walls can't talk back to plead their case. Now, before you start to judge my sanity, let me broaden up the definition of a wall as something that divides two regions so that we can encompass things like skins of an aircraft or a body of a car. Now, if you build them with solid metallic objects, they would be bulky, heavy, and expensive. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Syed Abdullah Nauroze, and during my PhD at Georgia Institute of Technology, I would make smart, lightweight, wall-like structures that can self-diagnose their health and the environment around us. Now, usually you make lightweight structures by using a corrugated surface sandwiched between two sheets, just like a cardboard or your IKEA furniture. The same principle is used in making the skins of an aircraft, where the corrugated surface is replaced by a honeycomb structure because it's structurally more strong. Now, there is a problem. Because at 10,000 feet, there is a huge difference between the outer environment and the inner environment. So that means there's going to be condensation. That means there would be moisture trapped in that honeycomb structure. And that would deteriorate the lifetime of the aircraft tremendously because of rusting. Now, I devised this special corrugated surface which is breathable. What that means is it allows the air to pass through them. And it is structurally as strong as the honeycomb, but easier to fabricate. Now, in order to make them lightweight, what I've done is I've printed these special resonators on top of it that assigns a special electromagnetic signature to this wall. That means that any structural change in its structure or in its health or the environment around that would be impinged on that electromagnetic signature, and we would be able to read that signature by an antenna. Isn't this fascinating? That you would be able to detect the deterioration of a structure before you can even see it? That's fascinating how much lives we can save with that, you know? The possibilities are endless. You can have smart cars, you can have smart buildings, you can have smart aircrafts. But you know what keeps me up at night? What if the walls could speak in the future? What would they actually say? Would they say something very philosophical? Or maybe something very boring, saying like, hey humans, the weather is exactly the same on both sides. I wonder what they would say. Let's wait and find out. Thank you.